as old as time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, that somebody bends unexpectedly.
I can show you the world, shine, shimmer, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go. Say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with
Now
you.
I'm in a whole new world with you.
Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake. Half can hear their hearts beat, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What
cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
Hi, Mai! What's up? Balita ko, birthday mo. Happy birthday and God bless to you and to your beautiful family. Birthday!
Hi, babe. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman, even if we don't see each other, like, ewan ko kung kailan, but I love you, and you know, pag nagkita naman tayo, mardagulan naman agad, lalo mga intro-intro. And I always wish you happy birthday and good health, and syempre, lagi ka lang masabaw, as usual. Bawal lang matuyot. Correct? Happy birthday, I love you, and good health always. See ya when I see you. Love you, babe. Mwah.
Hello! Kumusta na? Para sa isa sa nagagandahan kong mga pinsan. Ate Maylene, happy 50th birthday! Wala naman sa itsura mo na 50 years old ka na. Stay happy and healthy from Team Wendendem. Happy birthday ulit!
Hello, Ate Mylene, our pretty cousin. We wish you good health and life enjoyment. Stay happy always. We love you. Mwah.
Hello, Mars. Hello, Mylene. Happy birthday. I wish you will enjoy your 50th birthday celebration. Now that you have reached this milestone, welcome to the club. Well, what can I wish for you? But for you to be happier, healthier, and more blessed. Be the best version of yourself. I've seen how the kids have grown up, and I'm really happy to see how you've been the pillar of your family. Of course, with Glenn. So, I cannot make this as long as I want, so please do enjoy your special day. Happy golden birthday. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Mylene. Welcome to the club. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy your special day. And we'll see you so soon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mylene! Surprise! Uy, kailan ba tayo huling nagkita? Ang tagal na nun. Pero syempre sa Dubai yun, hindi ba? So, mag-50 ka pala today. Well, welcome to the club, sis. Well, happy 50th. And I know, sabi nga nila, age is just a number. Forever young at heart and beauty naman tayo, hindi ba? You already have a beautiful family. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, more blessings, wealth, fulfillment, more happiness and love in whatever your heart truly desires. God bless you, sis. I hope magkikita pa tayo one time. Siguro dyan sa Canada. Miss ko na talaga kayo ni Irene. Sana, miss ko yung banding natin at sana makikita ko pa rin makikita ko pa yung inaanak ko. So, ayun, happy 50th and stay beautiful. And I hope this will be a memorable birthday for you. Love you, sis. And I love you. God bless.
Hello, Mylene! Happy 50th birthday sa aking magandang pamangkin. Wow! At nasa golden years ka na pala ng buhay mo. Bagay hindi naman halata kasi lahi natin magaganda. Joke lang. Okay, ang wish ko sa'yo, unang-una na siyempre ang good health, more blessings to come, at marami pang birthdays na dumating sa buhay mo kasama ng pamilya. Basta lagi lang maging masaya, mag-iingat palagi, at stay mabait at maganda. Okay? Sige ha. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your very special day. Bye!
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Golden na tayo. Oh my God, this is our year. But of course, hindi naman halata na 50 na. Pero I'm praying na sana matupad lahat ng prayers natin, lahat sana ng greatest dream natin ay matupad, at maging safe kayo, buong pamilya nyo, every day. And I'm really praying hard sa family nyo na maging okay ang lahat, at maging happy, maging masaya, at magsama-sama ang buong pamilya sooner. And I'm praying na maging mas okay ang health, mas okay ang samahan ng lahat. And God bless you. Know that I am always praying for your family. I love you.
Hi Mylene, happy birthday my friend, happy 50th birthday. I wish that this day is filled with all the love, with all the joy, all the happiness and the goodness in life that your heart can hold. I don't wish all of this only in your birthday, but for the rest of your life and for the whole family. Although we are halfway around the world, you always keep the communication open, and I greatly appreciate it. Always stay beautiful, and a blessing to the people around you. Happy birthday again. We love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Mai! Salamat sa friendship.
Yeah, 50 years ka na pala. Parang 22 lang ah.
Yun lang.
Anyway, Mai, thankful talaga ako na naging magkaibigan tayo. Way back, Saudi Arabia, marami tayong pinagdaanan, marami tayong friendship na na-build all through these years. Although hindi man tayo laging nag-uusap, lalo hindi na tayo nagkikita lagi, but please know that I value our friendship more than anything else. Malapit ka sa puso ko, alam mo yan. Mahal na mahal kita, Mai. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to, and wishing you all the best sa career mo, sa family, and sa pagiging entrepreneur. Wow, sobrang proud kami sa inyong dalawa. So, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mai!
Sana soon mag-cross din ang landas natin. Happy birthday, Lola! I love you so much! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mai!
Mylene, happy birthday to my long distance friend and kumare. Wish you all the best, happiness and good health. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mylene!
God bless. Happy birthday, my bestie Mylene. I wish that your birthday brings another year of success and the best times to your life. Happy birthday! I love you! Momo, chup chup!
Hello, Miss Mylene. We would like to greet you a very happy birthday to a loving wife, to your husband, loving mother to your kids, and a transformational coach to all the people around you. We wish you a very happy birthday, and may all your birthday wishes and prayers be granted on this day. Happy birthday and stay healthy.
Hello Mare, happy birthday! It's been 18 years nang huli tayong magkita. I miss you so much, maganda kong kumare. No, I didn't expect na magkiklik tayo as friends and now magkumare pa tayo ngayon. Hello Mau, may inaanak. You know, I'm one of those who have been with you through your ups and downs and na-overcome mo lahat yon. I know kasi, fighter ka. Of course, with the help of our Lord, hindi kanya pinabayaan. And I'm so happy na may family ngayon who loves you so much. I'll never forget those times we spent together. Sadness man yan o happiness, hindi ko yun malilimutan, Mare. Alam ko yung mga wishes mo before natupad na. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo, stability mo ng love, happiness, joy and peace. I love you so much, Mare. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Maya. Turning 50 is a milestone worth celebrating with. It's the golden age where life's experience shine brightest. May this golden milestone remind you of all the love and laughter you've shared for so far. Here's to your incredible journey ahead. Happy birthday, Maya from Saudi Arabia. Love you!
Hey Maylene, happy birthday! Gusto na babes? Tagal nating din nagkita. Wish you a happy birthday, long and wealthy life. Also regards to your family. See you soon. Happy birthday again. Happy Easter too. Bye.
Hello Ate Mai. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ang lakas mo, ang napakagandang puso mo, ate, ay isang inspirasyon. Ikaw ay isang napakamabuting tao, mapagmahal, at so grateful, ate, na makilala kita. Masaya ako at nadagdagan na naman ang iyong taon na hindi ka, ate, talaga promise mo humatanda. Ikaw ay ang ganda mo, te. Ikaw ay isang pwede man sabihin Diyosa. Wow! Timay, I miss you. Happy birthday sa'yo. Cheers to another year of blessings. Another success, tagumpay sa buhay mo at hindi nalilimutang alaala. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Maylene! We miss you!
Hello, Mai. Thank you for being part of our journey. Thank you for being with us during tough times and more times.
Hi, Madam Bertud. We missed you. Happy 50th birthday. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for the knowledge that you've given to me as a friend, as an elderly sister. Thank you so much for everything that we shared through Think and Thin. Sobrang thank you. I wish that you have a good health. I wish we could be together again through thick and time, that family sticks together, family stays together, family believes in each one, family that will never be break down by anything else. Again, Madam Bertud, thank you so much for the friendship and for everything that you've done to us. Again, happy birthday, 50th golden birthday. Thank you.
Hello, Maylene. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Wow, you're 50 years old na pala. You don't look like 50, to be honest. I hope that we will get to catch up soon, kayo ni Len at ang family mo. So I wish you all the best in the world. I wish you good health. I wish you the happiness and all your heart's desire. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
PF, good morning. Happy birthday. Be grateful with what you have.
you know, you have the hottest husband ever and your kids are growing up, and teach them on how to be you, lovable, funny, and kind. And what else? I wish you a good health, because health is wealth. At least you will live longer, and you will still see all your grandkids. That's all. I love you, Mama. I love you.
Hello, Madam Eileen. Happy birthday. Stay beautiful and healthy. God bless.
Hi, Mami Mai. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko lang is always good health po. And mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Especially po, i-bless po lagi ni Lord ang family mo, Mami Mai. And alagaan po lagi ang sarili. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I miss you.
May happy 50th birthday. In fairness, wala sa itsura. Napaka-blooming pa din. Hindi kita binabola, ate, ha? Masaya ako kasi finally natupad na yung plan nyo going to Canada. Siyempre, ang tagal nyo ring tumira dito sa UAE. Ang daming hardships and sacrifices. Tapos wala namang yung di naman kayo magiging resident dito. So, blessing ni Lord niyan sa inyo kasi syempre alam naman niya lahat ng sacrifices nyo, and also because aside sa pinlano nyo yun, pinaghirapan syempre because you're a good person. Sabi nga nila, pagka mabuti kang tao, maraming masusuklian yan ng blessings, of course, and yung anong deserve nyo talaga. And even if that's the case, syempre, I'm still wishing and hoping na more blessings to come your way. And also, I'm thankful pa rin. I don't know if nasabi ko sa ito, I'm still thankful na ikaw ang binigay ni Lord kay Kuya. Kasi ikaw yung the best among them. Na, seryoso. Also, thank you din, ate, na marami kang naitulong sa pamilya namin. Pakalaking tulong mo to the point na someday gusto ko makabawi sa'yo. Kung hindi man sa inyo ni Kuya, sa mga anak nyo. Gusto ko makabawi talaga. Susunod ako sa Canada. Hopefully talaga. Kasi gusto ko magkasama-sama tayo. Tayo ni na Ate Irene, ng family nyo. Hopefully si Madir din, tsaka si Ate Jeng, kung posible. And, yun lang. Basta, happy birthday, ate. More years, ano bang term doon? More years to come, syempre. And also, sana, ang life nyo sa Canada ay mas maging smooth and mas maging happy, and hindi na sana kayo mas mahirapan doon. And what else? That's it. Happy birthday, ate. We love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy toot birthday, Mylene. Love you.
My favorite and ever dearest sister, I just want to wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May the good Lord grant all the desires of your heart. Wishing you good health, love, peace, and happiness always. I can't wait to be reunited with you. I just want you to know that I love you so much and I will always be here for you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Puma! Thank you po for everything that you've done for us, for me especially. Alam ko po na hindi madali yung mga sacrifices na ginawa nyo. Pero ginawa nyo po yun kasi grabe kayo magmahal. And not everyone can get through the challenges na na-experience nyo. Gawin yung mga bagay na ginawa nyo at maging matatag na katulad nyo po. So the older that I get, the more at awe I am of the woman that you are. Kung pagpalain po ako na I become half the woman as you are right now, that will be my greatest achievement po. And now that you're turning 50, pero mukha pa rin kayong ate ko, mas matanda pa din yung itsura ko, I have nothing but wishes for you to be happy, for you to experience the best things in life, and for you to know that you are loved by everyone around you kasi you have been such a good person, such a good mother, and sana po alam niyo na your presence in a person's life is a blessing. For you to be a part of their story is a blessing kasi you touch people's lives so positively whenever you meet them and become a part of their story. Na sana ngayon po na may bagong chapter na kayo ng life nyo, sana po more good things, more blessings, and more happiness to come for you po. Kasi you deserve nothing but that. You deserve nothing but the best po. At salamat din po dahil bukod sa life lessons, naman ako din yung kaartihan nyo. So, dalawa na po tayong maarte dito sa bahay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo po para sa amin. And I know I probably don't say this enough or baka hindi lang kayo naniniwala. Pero I love you po. I'm very blessed to have the honor of being your daughter. And hopefully po, one day, I earn that. And for now po, I just want to express my gratitude on how lucky I am to be a part of another chapter of your life po. Yun lang po. Stay happy, stay pretty. Though alam ko naman na kahit hindi ko sabihin, maganda pa rin naman kayo. Hindi po maraming tao na kayang gawin yung mga ginagawa nyo nang hindi tumatanda. Kayo po, flawless pa din. Parang walang nangyari. So, yun lang po. I just wanted to express how much you are loved, how much I love you, and how much I want you to experience the best of things po in this new chapter of your life. Stay happy po, stay healthy, and we love you po. Happy birthday po, Ma!
15th birthday, Mama. Thank you for everything. You gave us a lot. Your support and what we needed. Even after having long work hours, you were still able to provide. Even when you're tired, you put us first instead of you. And we are really thankful for that. Your unwavering support has shaped us into the person we are today. And that's all. We love you, Mama. Happy 15th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for being the best mother in the world. I appreciate all of your love that you give to us, keeping us healthy all the time, keeping us safe, and I appreciate all of the work. You've always been the best mother to me because you've been there with me when I needed help, when I was struggling. You're the strongest and the kindest and most prettiest person I know, and I'm wishing you all the happiness in the world.
So, nagulat ka, no? Ang daming mga nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi ko rin actually na-expect na gano'n karami, pero I'm really thankful dun sa mga taong nag-participate and nag-send ng mga birthday wishes through video despite of being busy sa mga schedules nila and sa mga trabaho nila. Thank you guys for being part of Maylene's golden years na celebration. Same thing with our friends and family, no? So, ngayon, back to you. By the time na pinapanood mo tong video na to, I'm sure na katabi kita. Kasi at this time of recording this video, you're on your way to the airport, right? So, mga around 12:25 p.m. Doha time, I will be in the airport and sasalubungin kita. Nax, ikaw na.
Ikaw na talaga. Magba-birthday ka lang, pupunta ka pa ng Doha. No, that's kidding aside, no. Alam naman natin yung reason why you're traveling here. It's for a bigger purpose. And soon malalaman din ng mga kaibigan natin, family, you know. And that thing will gonna be a major what do you call it, major step, I would say, no, sa chapter ng buhay natin. And if that day comes, I'm the most happiest person in the world, because yun yung isa sa mga pinagpe-pray mo, and it will happen, right? So really, thankful to the Lord na napakabait niya, and unti-unti niyang ginagrant yung mga wishes natin. And same thing with me, here in Doha, I was given an opportunity. So isa sa mga pinagdadasal mo, hindi man siya sa UAE, but still here in Doha, sabi nga ni Sean, Qatar is another UAE, di ba? So anyway, you will be traveling back and forth naman dito with the kids, and magkakasama-sama tayo. Parang ano lang naman yan, parang Liwa to Ajman lang naman yan, di ba? So this time naman, Liwa to Doha, sosyalan. Hindi na bastang sinasakyan mo, kundi eroplano. Magastos nga lang, pero it's okay. So, ayun na, today is May 2, and really grateful for this day na nagkaroon ng chance na maka-travel ka dito. And my wish for you is, of course, to have another 50 years with you, na i-cherish natin together with our family, with our kids, friends. And I'm hoping na itong mga coming years, it will gonna be a different environment, no? So I'm really looking forward to it na. And sabi ko nga kanina, ako yung pinakang masayang tao pag nangyari na yon. And another thing, no, maraming salamat for everything, no. Sa ginawa mo for our family, yung mga sacrifices mo, lahat-lahat, hindi ko na iisa-isahin, alam mo naman na yun. At saka yung pagiging optimistic mo, marami tayong mga pinagdaanan, may mga ups and downs, and yet here you are na napaka positive. On my part, syempre may mga shortcomings, and yet nandyan ka to guide me, no, all throughout. And thank you for everything. Sobrang na-appreciate ko ng family namin yun sa'yo, most especially during those times, no. Alam mo na yun, basta huwag magbabago, stay pretty, stay kind, and always be a blessing sa mga tao. So masyado na mahaba tong yung message ko, but yun, no, alam mo naman di ako masyadong masalita, pero I love you so much, alam mo yan. Okay, so see you.
Shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What
guys, no, as promised, ito, naka-video siya. Yun yung reaction niya sa mga video messages niyo. But really thank you guys. Na-appreciate namin. Okay. So, yan yung kay Mitch, ipa-play natin next.
I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Prenny, Madam Bertud, Mai. So I hope and pray that all your wishes, all your highest desires will come true. May your plans be His plans as well, and continue to give us more wisdom, guidance. You are called Madam Bertud for a reason, and you know how, you know why, and yeah, thank you for the many advices and life's lessons then that you continue to impart to us whenever we get a chance to talk. We're not always together, not like before, but we're just phone call or a text away, and so on. I have a background noise. My cats are fighting. But anyhow, Madam Bertud, enjoy your day, and I wish that you will have plenty more blissful years to come. And of course, marami pa tayong mga adventures na gagawin. Dun sa isa nating pinagsasamahan na, alam mo na, project. Siyempre, marami pa yan na mga escapades na nadadating. And I'm so excited for that. And thank you very much for all the years na dumaan tayo sa yung maraming klaseng emotions, but that's the very essence of friendship, diba? So I thank the Lord for having a friend like you, and you can be assured that there's one loyal friend here for you, and sa saya at sa lahat ng ano paman. I'm here, and Ipe also is here, and with this, hindi ko na patagalin. Again, from Gregorio family, I wish you all the very best, and may you have many returns of the day on your birthday. Enjoy and take care. Love you.
Nakahabol. Mitch, nakahabol.
Thank you.
Ayan, i-stitch natin sa video.
Happy birthday. Hi, Tita Maylene. Panjit. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best. And I wish na sana magkasama-sama na tayo dito sa Calgary soon. I'll pray for that. Love you. Happy birthday.
Okay. O yun, thank you guys. Thank you ulit.
Salamat sa lahat. I'm speechless. Hindi kasi to yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya kasi magbablog kami. Hinihintay ko all throughout sa pag-play ng video. Ang daming nagugulat akong bumabate hanggang sa matapos na nakaka-shock. Na-surprise ako in fairness. What a journey it was talaga. Of course, thankful. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful that narating ko to kasi yung iba hindi na nararating. I'm usually kasi the one na gumagawa ng ganito eh. It's a mixed emotion. I feel shattered. I'm happy. And somehow I feel incomplete kasi wala na yung dalawang pillars ko. Hindi ko kasi marireach yung ganito sa buhay ko. Kung hindi sa tulong nila, dumating ako dun sa
I was stuck in the tunnel. It was the lowest point of my life. Tapos parents ko, family ko yung umalalay para makabangon uli. And this golden is hindi ko ma-explain yung pakiramdam. It's a mixed emotion. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa pag-appreciate niyo sa akin. I am not perfect. Pero, pag minahal kasi ako, mas mamahalin ko. Pag pinaglaban ako, mas ipaglalaban ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nakaalala who took time to greet me. Salamat sa mga greetings, sa mga wishes and prayers niyo across the globe. So many things to be thankful for. So many things to look back. The failure, the victory, the pain, the happiness, the sorrows, the joy. Hindi ko akalain na babalik yung joy sa buhay ko after those past years na nangyari. Aside from my family, nagbalik ng self-esteem ko. The person who sees the best in me, si Glenn. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for putting back the broken puzzle, the missing piece. Yung basag na buo uli. Ang dami na pala naming pinagdaanan doon sa mga pictures na yun. The pictures will tell the life story of everything in life. I'm so touched sa mga greetings nyo, sa pictures. Sana yung mga hindi ko na nakikita nakakasama ngayon. Sana one day we will catch up personally. Mag-iingat kayo. We will see again. Hopefully very, very soon. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you, Tatay, for the video and for the effort. And thank you for the love.
Bye.